Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check your device's SMS on your TECNO router. So the first thing that we're going to do is connect to our router's network, and after that we're going to go to the admin page by entering the default IP, which is 192.168.0.1. And now if you are logged out, let me just show you. If you are logged out and you need to log in, the default username and password are both lowercase admin. So let's log in. There we go. And now you just need to go to the SMS tab, and this is where all of the SMS that have been sent to the SIM card in your device, this is where they will pop up. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.